Welcome to my channel. Easy English for real life. Phrase 1. I appreciate it. I appreciate it. For example, thanks for your help, I appreciate it. Phrase 2. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. For example, I'm not sure. Let me check. Phrase 3. That sounds good. That sounds good. For example, let's meet at 5 p.m. That sounds good. Phrase 4. Can you explain that again? Can you explain that again? For example, can you explain that again, please? Phrase 5. I will think about it. I will think about it. For example, do you want to join us? I'll think about it. Write one of these sentences in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more English lessons. See you in the next video. Thanks so much.